Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little announcement for people using WhatsApp. And basically, even if you don't use WhatsApp but it's installed, there's a major security breach that was discovered with the app. Now, the way it works is that if you had WhatsApp installed, and I tell you, even if you don't use it, if it's installed and you had a call, you received a call, even if you didn't answer, there's a possibility that malware could have been installed on your phone or tablet. And what that means is that the phone or tablet in question would have had, the bad guys would have had full control of your device. They could have done whatever they want. And this is not just Android, it's for iPhones also. Even iPhones are affected with this. So what do you have to do and what's happening with this? So, okay, the first thing you need to do is make sure that if you use WhatsApp, that you install the latest version. Make sure you got the latest version. How to know? Go to your Google Play Store and check your apps. There's a little hamburger menu on the upper left. You click there and you look at My Apps. And if it's not updated, it's going to tell you that it needs an update. And there, update it. Make sure that you have the latest version. The latest version fixes that flaw. It's a flaw that was discovered and probably in the past few weeks, let's say, it's been used. And so there's a possibility. The other thing is, if you don't use WhatsApp, why not uninstall it from your phone? Okay, just hold the icon for a little while and click the uninstall or the remove, and make sure that you remove it from your phone. If you don't use that app, it's not necessary at all. If you use it, make sure you got the latest version. Now, if you are using it or not, but it's there, what can you do apart from making sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date? Is also make sure that your phone's software is up to date. Make sure you got the latest security patches for your device. Usually you go into the settings of your device and you go about your device or software updates, or there's a place where you'll see updates, and it depends on each phone has a different way of doing this. Make sure you got the latest security patches. This is like Windows, this is like any computers. You need to have the latest updates from the manufacturer of your device to make sure you stay safe. And last but not least, if you are still wondering if there could have been, use an app. I recommend one that's called Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. It's free, and you can actually install this on your device and scan your device for any known threats. And if there's something, of course, it's going to see it. So Malwarebytes Anti-Malware for Android, iOS, and let it scan and detect anything that would be wrong. There's a paid version, but there's the free version. The paid version is a scan that happens in real time. I don't necessarily recommend having that, but at least have the free version and scan your device to see if everything's all right. So that's pretty much what you have to do. If you got the latest update of the app, latest security updates on your phone, at the most, if you just scan it with a antivirus of some sort like Malwarebytes, you should be okay. And I think it's important to just make sure everything's updated. And like I just said, if you don't use WhatsApp, uninstall it from your device. Okay, it is not necessary and don't need it. And if you ever need it again, you can get back to the store, the Google Play Store, or the if you go on the iOS Apple Store, the App Store, you can actually get it back if you want really to use it at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.